Very good morning, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. You must be, I have enabled my Nalini another indicator where day separations are color coded. It is yellow indicates for, you can see yellow indicates for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Some days are holidays, that's why and the yellow will come. See, before that yellow has come, it is Monday, you can see. After that, there is no Tuesday. This is 2nd March and 3rd March, probably some holidays. Due to that, there was no trade. Why I am going back to the 4th March is I am seeing the same pattern today. Gift Nifty showing the gap down. If I'll take you the tour from 4th March to till this day. 4th March, there was a gap down like this, but there was no, if you notice this, it was below the weekly gap, Monday's gap, right? Wednesday gap down here, pull back, see the pattern over here. On Thursday, it filled the gap and then Friday it continued. Okay, let us go on checking the things. On 11th March, see, Monday gap down, Tuesday halfway through, you can see the gap was filled here. This is Tuesday. You can see Tuesday, Wednesday, 11th March, it continued down. Then, week on week, this is the weekly. Thursday, falling below the Monday, indicated the downfall. This is 12th March, Thursday and Friday. You can see here some pattern change over here. For the first time, after the 11th March, 18th March, it stayed higher. The Wednesdays were lower days. On 18th March, it was up. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Again, falling below the Monday low. It was showing some sort of changes over here. Thursday gap down, and this gap was not filled. Notice over here. But the gap down and the gap was not filled. This is Thursday and Friday, Monday gap down. Can you see Monday gap down? Same pattern. Same pattern repeating over here. Monday gap down, Tuesday and Wednesday, at the top, and next week, Wednesday is trying to fill the gap. Fill the gap. You can notice some sort of change in this behavior over here. So Wednesday, 26th March, this was the pattern from 16th March to 18th March. And then 26th March is just a week before the expiry. 26th March, okay, so expiry will happen on Tuesday, right? Monday, so expiry happened on 30th March because there was no Tuesday. So 30th March expiry happened on the down. Can you see over here? Same pattern, 1st April, the Tuesday was not there. Wednesday, it was same pattern repeating. The price moving higher. And then it is a gap down, same pattern repeated from starting from 18th March. Let us put this. From 18th March, same pattern repeated here up to here, and it was a sudden jump on this was Wednesday, sudden jump on Wednesday, 8th April. Okay? 8th April, you have seen sudden jump, area jump, and market Thursday down, Friday gap up, and then this was a different pattern, totally, entirely different pattern what happened on these days. 8th, 9th, why I'm telling is 8th April, it was Wednesday. Let me take out this because this color will not make you to understand that. Wednesday gap up, Thursday down move, and then it is Friday, it moved higher. And Monday, it came down. But it was within the area of the high, weekly high. Why weekly high? Because Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the weekly low was here from Monday. So it was very wide range of this week. You can see the range of the week was very high. Let me put a separator like this, or let me put it. So this was the wide range of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It appeared as if it is breaching the weekly this, but it was within the weekly level and it came down to this level and took support. Monday, again, Wednesday gap up, and see the pattern, how it is changing. Same, Wednesday gap up, Thursday, it's an outside bar. It went up and came down. And Friday, it was up move. So where is our boundary? Weekly boundary is 24,076 to 24,993. 24,993 to 24,000. Let us keep it like that. Now, the market is exhibiting the same pattern, gap down, which happened on the 4th March. Gap down. But this gap down was a different, breaching the low of the Monday. Because Monday is the starting day of the week. When it breaches down and starts trading below, then it is a weekly breach. But here, what is happening in this situation is, let us go there, and whatever the gap down today, say for example, the range for the week from the Monday to this Monday, Wednesday, weekly breach, the range is, let us measure the range, that is, let me put it, range is more than 400 points. 400 points. So The Monday low is here. Monday low is 24,267. Remember that. That is the low of the candle. I'm placing on this candle 24,000 open. Low was 24,241. Let me change it to 24,241. So that is Monday's low. If it breaches this low, then only some pattern change will be there. Even if then you need to consider that some weakness have come into the market. Otherwise, even if it gaps down, this 24,241 to 24,306 is a safe zone for you people to trade. Today, even if it gaps down, if it comes down, it may breach this Tuesday low, but it should not go below the Monday low. Monday low, it can come down to this level also. 24,337 to 360 to 24,332. It is a safe zone. Probably market may recover. Suppose if it doesn't breach, then the pattern repetition we can call for. Today is gap down. Thursday, you can anticipate for the gap fill, and we need to see whether the Friday it comes down pattern, or it may form a double bottom, or if it starts going below this Friday, then weakness will start coming into the market. So monthly weakness will start coming into the market. We need to track the market very properly. This is how it is. Now, friends, remember today, these are the boundaries. I'm not taking any other indicator. I'm taking my Nalini EMA indicator, day separators, and I'm analyzing the market. So now it is clear for you. The pattern has changed. Gap up on Wednesday. Now it is showing gap down. When there is a gap up, gap fill will take place on Thursday. Remember that it is a discounted opportunity for you people. As an option buyer, you can anticipate for a pullback rally after the gap filling rally on Thursday. Thursday is Sensex expiry. Same way, you can track Sensex. Let us go to indices. Let me type Sensex. See, here, same thing. This is Sensex. Monday's low is here. This is the weekly start of this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if it gaps down, the safe area for the Sensex are 78,489 to 78,500. It should not breach this. Then that will be a how much gap down? It will be counting to 763 points gap down, and we can anticipate for a gap filling day on Thursday. So zero hero can become the call option. Call option may lose premium, and you may get an opportunity to enter into the call option at a discounted price, and it should not breach this level. So your danger zone is 78,209. 78,200 is your danger zone. It should not breach that. Even if it dips down, there is liquidity area over here. In between this area, static liquidity is available in the market. It can come down to 78,283 or somewhere in between. So watch out these levels. Watch out these levels below 78,300. There is a liquidity area. Whereas in Nifty, let me go to the Nifty, type down Nifty. Where is the liquidity area in the market? And the Nifty liquidity area is beneath 24,304. 28,304, there is static liquidity lying over in the market. You can anticipate for the liquidity sweep and option premium becoming cheap, call option premium. And whoever shorted the market, they need to cover their positions. That's what, when as soon as you see reversal signal, for that, my Nalini EMA indicate, Nalini Precision Engine and Nalini, this one will help you to guess for that. Let me enable this. See, trend is intact. GAN Hilo is intact till 24,000. It is placed at 24,363. Beneath that, see, these are the blue lines. So market can come in between this area and you can see S2. Lot of volatility. S2 is placed around 24,321 and these are the areas. Between 24,300 to 24,262, that is a liquidity pool area you can consider for that. So remember these levels and trade. There is the pattern can repeat. That means gap down and gap fill on Thursday. Okay, friends. Thank you very much. Nannakshi Swami signing off.